Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the threads and put the pearls like this and tie it. Now take another thread and roll it like this, pull it out and put the threads in the between and tie it like this. Make these strings till the end and it's done. Next, take the green color thread and put it out from the between and fix the thread like this as shown here. So now roll it and then stretch the threads from the sides. Again put it from the between and tie it from the downside like this. Fold it and again pull it out as shown. Make a ball like shape. Fix it by pulling the threads. Spread it like this from the other side again and pull it out from the downside. Now repeat the process again from the other side. Take another sides of the thread. Fold it and put it in the between. Pull it out. Stretch it like this. And then don't forget to put the thread on the top little bit like this. Now stretch it from the sides. Now pull it as shown here. Now stretch it like this and it's almost done. Next, take two threads and fix them together by folding it from the between. Tie it like this, pull it out from the other side and then stretch it. Now after stretching the threads, we will again pull the threads from the sides. Now roll it and put it in the between. Fold it like this. Now pull it. Now fold it from the other side. Fix it on the downside like this. Stretch it from the top and pull it like this. Pull it out from the downside and fix it from the top. Now we will repeat the process again. So now watch it very carefully. Watch the techniques, how we are pulling the threads and keeping it like this. So now after giving the minute details, pull it from the top like this and stretch it. Now fold it and put some locket if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next is take the green color thread, fold it like this using the fingers. Now fix it from the between like this, pull it out like as shown here. Now remove the fingers and stretch it from the sides like this together. Make a shape in the between like this, so it will look like a square shape in the between. Now stretch it from the sides little bit and fold it like this again. Now fix it after tying it again by putting it in the between. Fold it out from the other side in the same manner and stretch it. Now make a cube square like shape as shown here. Now pull the threads from the sides, make a shape as shown in the video, fix it till the end and your flower shaped thread is almost ready. Next, take the blue color threads like this, fold it and put it out from the between one by one here. Fold it one by one and then fix it clearly. Next, moving on to another style. So take the threads, pull it out from the sides, cross it like this and put them in the between and stretch it and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.